Hi guys, welcome back to DIY Already. This is the part 3 of the shoe rack build. Finally, it's been what? 2.5 weeks? Yes, 2.5 weeks. Ah, the wood has arrived, so let's get started. Let me show you the wood. So this is the chipboard which I'm going to be using. So see, it's laminated with a sheet of white oak. This, I'm going to get this down. I don't know if you can see it clearly. Pretty beautiful. Nice grain structure. Everything. Nice design. So it's white oak. I'm going to sand it down to around 120 grit, and then I'm going to use mineral oil to finish it and give it a nice pop, if you will, in the end. So let's get started with the cutting. Okay, so let's start with cleaning off the sap on the cutouts which we made. Some of them have sap, as you can see over here. So this, what we can do is scrape it off. But this piece does not have sap any other place at the back. So I will not remove the sap from this because I can just flip it, keep this on top and this bottom, so this can be hidden. So I would not waste my time on this. The second piece is clean. So I have a piece here, 75 centimeters. Yes. So yeah, this one has sap over here. So if I burn, this will bubble up and come out. And I can't hide it here because there's sap here also. So I need to choose a better side, which I would like to keep in front. And I actually would like to keep on front this side. It's better design. This one has a crack in it, so I'll hide this. I won't remove this. So let's get started on this. Get sap out of here, or a cuticle cleaner. So you can choose whatever. I like cuticle cleaners. They can get in deep and they're good for scraping. As you can see, there was not much sap in here as expected. So this was good. Smells amazing. I've got the majority of the sap out already. But I can still feel it. I can see it coming out, so I will still keep going. Alright, so I set the wood aside, the plywood. Right now, I want to figure out how to connect this to this. I can do this. Leave a step. Looks okay. Kinda okay. I don't want this thing coming out. To be flush, I don't want to be like that. I really do not want it to be, because then all my calculation will be wrong. And it's going to be too big. Because my slippers are here. And the area I have is smaller than my slipper. So the slipper will be slanted inside. That's not a problem. So I cut out half of this, and glue them together like that. Yes, glue them and then screw them. So that'll be nice. So let's do that. With the burning will come at the end. I'll start burning once I get to the point of attaching that to this. So let's get started. So this is what I have made. This is a side support leg. Okay, so what I did, this is a small 30 centimeter wood. Cut a notch here, and this is the 90 centimeter, the longer one, the one which is going to be the leg. And I'm going to do is glue them together. Okay, so as you can see, there are small tiny little gap, can be forgiven, but I'll use some putty and I'll fill them, sand them, level it, then I'll go over the stove and start burning. I'll put glue right now, drill, always pre-drill, then screw. If you don't, it will split. So let's do that right now. where I have reached. I tried burning, but I did not like it, so I sanded it off. So now what I'll do is I'll give a coffee stain. I got some coffee, instant coffee stain, and then I'll put clear coat on it. I got clear coat, spray clear coat. So that's what I have to do, and I'll put the doors on. I've already have a cut panel up over here. I'll cut that in half. I already attached the hinges. Hopefully they stay. They will. And then we'll get to staining this. Let's finish this off. Here you go, guys. 3 a.m. and it's finally done. As you can see, there are some mistakes which I'll take care of them. I'll take care of them later. It's too late. It's 3 a.m. So I like the coffee stain on it. I gave a coffee stain, and then I used mineral oil mixed with linseed oil to get this kind of finish. I let it dry. Let it soak in. Then I got a clear coat from the paint shop and sprayed it to preserve its color and stain. So it looks pretty awesome now. This is intentional. The nails you see is intentional. I like the olden times rustic look, rustic locks. It looks nice. Plus, my son cannot get into it. It'll be nice. So there you go. The doors will be changed. If you want to see the item, the shoe rack with the new doors, follow me on DIY with Etisham, DIY with Ethi on Instagram, and I'll be posting a picture of that in daylight, in use. So it's pretty good. I'll have to put in the shelves now. I have the shelves kept. So 1, 2, 3. So it's a lot of space. A lot of shoes can come here. The reason I kept a huge space in the bottom was to wear for everyday slippers, so I can just put them down there. I'm going out directly, use it. No need to open and close every time. So I hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe, comment down below what you liked about it, what you didn't. I know a lot of people are going to comment about the door, but it's going to be changed. Follow me on Instagram. See ya.